Well, here we are back again. How about that? Twice in the same day. A grinder I had first, and now I'm gonna open a box I just got. UPS just dropped it off. And I think I know what it is. And it's gonna go for my workbench. So I'm gonna open it up. I don't know if will catch this box or not. We'll see. But probably better off. You guys probably want to see what's inside of it. And the dog's gonna play with the box. Aren't you, Chubby? That and a styrofoam. Okay. Alright, so we got that. Chunk of styrofoam. Wonderful. And we have the instruction manual. Series 3-in-1 tool. Well, let's see if I can get this out. Probably going to be a lot of pieces. One piece there. There's the main piece right there. I think it's going to be some assembly required. This is a soldering rework station and also a digital power supply. And that's going to be going on my bench right here. And something I didn't really have. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to fit it in yet, but it's going to have to go back here. I know, like right about there. And this is actually a heat gun that goes with it, which I did not have. And I believe all the other stuff we have here are holders. A whole bunch of soldering tips and all kinds of stuff here. So, oh yeah, main cord and soldering iron. And what else have I got in here? Oh, another box. Well, obviously it's a bunch of clamps. So I got a bunch of stuff I got to put together. Looks like. Doesn't it, Chuck? What do you think? Okay, so I'll have to put this whole thing together. Good that I have the instructions. What, Chubby? Running away from the box? What? Oh, look at this. He's gonna go and take a look at the box. What? What, Chubby? What? It's just a box. What are you afraid for? It's a box. All right. Well, this is the 3-in-1 power supply, or whatever, supply. Let's put it this way. The instructions are very abstract. It is the worst translation of English I have ever seen in my life from Chinese, if you can call it that. This is obviously made in China. The only diagrams it actually shows is how to take the entire soldering gun and the heat gun apart. That's it. All right, well anyhow, what's got back here is the main power is at the back. And the setup is that you can go ahead, get this closer if I can. Yeah, I may have to take it off, I don't know. Yeah, I think so. I can't tilt it down either. Not enough. Yeah. All right, we'll go this way. But as it's set up right now, this is the SMD, which would mean the hot air, would be this one up here. So you can turn that on. Okay. So you have that, and then you can turn the temperature up right here. You can adjust it. Like right there's at 205, whatever. Well, I'm not going to be using it anyway, but anyhow. So you can turn that one off. And then this next one down here, that's set at 250. That should be the soldering station. Notice it's scrolling through. I guess it's bringing the temperature up right now. If that's correct, this thing should be getting hot. It is. But it's only at 250 degrees right now. So you can turn it up. Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can go up higher than that if you want. It'll go. I think it'll go 400. But anyhow, yeah. See, it automatically it'll go up. So anyhow, you can use that, and if when you're done with that, just go ahead and just switch it off. So pretty much, it's all set up where you can. It does work, at least. And then we have the power supply over here, DC, and you can turn the voltage up by adjusting this. I think it'll go all, from what it says, up to, if I can get my Chingrish right, I think it'll go up to like 50 volts. One side's 15, the other side will go to, yeah, I think the other side will go 50. Okay, this will go 15.8 volts right there. Okay, that's what it'll go up to. Okay, so that'll be a good supply for, you know, small projects anyway. And of course, that'll turn that off. And then if you want to get rid of the main power, then you go ahead right to the back and turn that off. So it does work, but they didn't even supply the screws to mount the heat gun. I had to scrounge my own up. Why? They forgot to pack them. And other than that, though, it's there. They come with, oh, these are not only so much tips. There's the different tips for the air gun. There's soldering tips coming out your yin-yang and all that sort of stuff. And I have no idea what the heck this is. What is it? What is it used for? I have no idea. They say nothing about it. It just shows up in there. I had to screw the wire on, and that was it. But I don't even know what the heck it's used for. Anybody know? Give me, let me know. I don't know what it is. Anyhow, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Bye.